Welcome! In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to connect your WooCommerce store to Quixess so you can sell more with less. Once you're logged into Quixess, go to the left menu and click Sales Channels. This is where all your store integrations live. Find WooCommerce in the list and click Integrate. This opens your WooCommerce setup screen. You'll see two fields here, Store URL and Alias. The alias is optional, but your WooCommerce store URL is required. Enter your full store URL exactly as it appears in your browser, including HTTPS. For example, https://yourbrandstore.com. Alias helps you stay organized if you're connecting multiple WooCommerce stores. You can name it something like Main Woo Store or UK WooCommerce. When your details are ready, click Validate Connection. Quixess will confirm it can communicate with your WooCommerce site. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to approve the connection or confirm WooCommerce API permissions. Once validation succeeds, your WooCommerce channel will show as connected. Quixess will start syncing your products, inventory, and orders, helping you sell more with less effort. Next, open the Fee Setup section for WooCommerce inside Quixess. Here you can define your platform fees or keep them low, even close to zero if you mainly want to cover subscription and basic costs. Then go to Other Fees Setup. This is where you map extra costs like ads, promos, or handling fees, so Quixess can calculate a more realistic profit per order automatically. If validation fails at any point, double-check your store URL. Make sure your site is live over HTTPS, and confirm your WooCommerce API keys or plugin settings. And that's it! Your WooCommerce store is now fully integrated with Quixess, so you can automate more, guess less, and sell more with less.